Plab Part 1 exam, what to expect and how to prepare. What is Plab? It stands for the Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board Test, or the Plab test. It's a two-part assessment process. Plab 1 is a written exam, while Plab 2 is an OSCE exam, or Objective Structured Clinical Examination. Where can I take the Plab exam? Well, Plab 1 could be taken around the world, while Plab 2 is only conducted in the UK. You can check the link given in the description for the available Plab 1 locations. So let's talk more about Plab Part 1. Now, Plab 1 is a written exam consisting of 180 questions in 180 minutes, which leaves you exactly about 1 minute per question. You have to choose the single best answer out of 5 that's given. The answers are based on UK's best practice, and the objective is to test your knowledge based on the Plab test blueprint provided by the General Medical Council UK, also known as GMC UK. So how do you prepare for the Plab 1 exam? Well, there are 4 steps that you need to follow in order to ensure your success. Number 1, download the Plab test blueprint and ensure you cover all the topics extensively. Number 2, practice more Plab exam style questions and get familiar with the guidelines through notes. Number 3, test yourself with timed mocks for practice and excellent time management skills. And number 4, find a way to improve your memory retention. How can MedRevisions help you with your Plab 1 preparation? Well, luckily for you, MedRevisions can help with all of these aspects we just mentioned. So let's revisit those one by one. Number 1, Plab test blueprint. What is the Plab test blueprint? According to the General Medical Council UK, the blueprint sets out the knowledge, skills, and behaviors candidates are expected to demonstrate in the test and beyond. Therefore, it is an excellent guide to what the Plab 1 test covers. And the Plab test blueprint is covered comprehensively throughout MedRevisions. So you can rest assured that you're covering all the topics recommended by the General Medical Council UK. Number 2, Plab exam style questions and notes. Firstly, Plab exam style questions. MedRevisions provides the largest Plab 1 question bank with over 4,000 Plab exam style questions. It includes questions from even the most recent Plab exams, and it is combined with comprehensive answer explanations that explains the question thoroughly. Secondly, complete study notes. Now, these questions are paired with updated complete study notes that align with the NICE guidelines and covers the entire topic in depth, so you don't have any knowledge gaps. These notes include highlighted exam tips specifically for the Plab exam, Plab clinchers, which are sort of strong hints that points towards a certain answer almost always, Plab mnemonics, and numerous images such as ECGs, X-rays, and others. Also, YouTube and guideline links for a more comprehensive understanding. Now, both these questions and the notes together make an amazing combination that covers the Plab blueprint extensively. You can try our 20 sample questions to get a feel of what it's like. The link is given in the description. Number 3, Plab mocks. MedRevisions provides over 20 complete 180 question Plab 1 exam style mocks. However, you can customize these and test yourself as time permits. For example, you can do 60 questions in 60 minutes. Or if you don't have that much time, 10 questions in 10 minutes. Do you need more time per question? Well, why not try 60 questions in 90 minutes? Or are you trying to be faster? So you can try 60 questions in 45 minutes. The number of questions and the time is completely up to you. And the best part is, once you're done, you can archive these questions and attempt them again for free. And when you archive the questions, they will appear again in a random order, leaving you with unlimited mocks to prepare with. Number 4, memory retention. Now, how can MedRevisions help you improve memory retention? Well, our revolutionary smart revision tool allows our users to take advantage of the most effective study method backed by science known as spaced repetition in order to ensure there are no weak topics before the exam. Our smart revision tool will detect the areas that needs more revision and help you practice them until you're completely ready. You can learn more about our smart revision tool and other features from the link given in the description. We hope you enjoyed the video and gained a good understanding of the Plab 1 exam. To find out more, visit www.medrevisions.com. Thank you for watching and complete your revision with MedRevisions.